welcome back to the channel. This is Brandon Garages. I got a short episode today, but something that's aesthetically going to look super nice. We've got some new shoes for the Z06. I've got some BC Fords, I think it's RS45s, if I'm not mistaken. And this is them. These are the fronts. We're going to weigh these real quick, and we're going to weigh the rears. Take them, get the tires changed, and kind of see the difference before and after look. And then I'll probably just get you guys just quick footage of the car moving and those kind of things. So stay tuned. So here's the front set. I just weighed it just a second ago. I was kind of surprised. It's still lighter than stock, I'm pretty sure. We're going to find out today, but this is showing 25.1. Okay, all right, 25.1, 25.3, roughly 25 pounds, and that's for the front. Now these things ordered from America Auto Works, and they came very nicely packaged. I mean, you're not going to get any sort of damage to these wheels the way they package these things. And I've also got black lugs to kind of go along with it as well. But these are the, looks like the back, and as you can see, the concaveness is like a lot more than the front here. That's where you less concave, a lot more concave. So this is 21 and that's a 20. All right, so this should be a big weight difference. So let's see here. All right, so I'm on here. Let me take this stuff off. 1 second. All right, here we go. See if I can get this wheel on there. It's gonna be a little difficult. All right, so it's 31.3 pounds. All right, so we got 31 pounds and then 25. I think the stock ones are more than that. We're gonna find out. I wanna say the stocks are probably gonna be 36, 35, maybe 30. So we're probably gonna save 5 pounds a wheel, but we'll see. Looking at the back face, this is what you get. Nicely machined. Same on this one. So I think these wheels are made in Korea. So it's a Korean wheel company. I've had some of their wheels before. They've been nice. I've never had any trouble with them. I had them on my Hellcat. Super nice forgings. These are supposed to be a fully forged wheel. It looks like it is. And then also for the tire shop, since I haven't installed these yet, we've got some of these jack pucks, and they're kind of color matched to the car. Basically, they've got a screw set that goes in the bottom side here. And we're going to put those on real quick before we go. Go get it. There's a back side of hardware for these. So I'm going to put those on real quick, then we're going to hit the road. Load these wheels, the TRX, to follow along. And that's how we're going to go there and get them changed out. So I'll get you some footage here soon. The car looks like, in case anybody's interested in ordering these BC45 or RS45 wheels. On these little jacking pucks, you just go ahead and thread the ends on right here. And then you take the back side of it, you go ahead and thread that, and that creates the hook part. You slide those up into the bottom, like this, and then you just turn it, and then you just tighten it, and it just locks it down on itself, basically. It takes like probably 2 or 3 minutes per one to install, but that's basically the gist of it. These are like 20 or 30 bucks off Amazon, pretty cheap. They are kind of heavy though. They're like, I don't know, probably adds like 4 or 5 pounds of the car. So I'm not going to keep these. I'll probably get something different. I want something lighter. So anyways. We are here. I had to take TRX transport tires. We're at Raylo's Tires, which is a place in Dalton that I always use. They've always done me well. I haven't had any problems since wheel changes. I'll probably they are done, and here they are in all their glory. I like them. The only thing is, I actually had black. I guess it's because of the tire pressure sensor. They didn't swap those over, so I'm gonna have to do something about that. I don't like having the chrome there. But as far as the offset, I mean, the front is phenomenal. Like, perfect. The rears are good. They're flush. I want them a little more out. This side looks a little more in than this side. Every car is a little different, and maybe just the way it's setting on here. But yeah, I like it. Now let me know what you guys think. with these RS45s. They kind of have a little bit of the Z07 look to them, and this concavity of the rear is just, I don't know if it captures it on camera. I'm gonna try to get some rolling footage of it. It's just really good. But anyways, hope you're liking what you're seeing. Like and subscribe. And if you don't mind, I've got basically a couple good things coming up. Throttle bodies, solar ported. Be putting those on, getting some dyno numbers from that. Gonna get dyno numbers with the cat deletes. And so I got some good stuff coming up. So stay tuned. Oh, and another thing, I have a front splitter with the, I think it's an Apsis one with the dive plane. So I'll be putting that on. So if you like and subscribe, stay tuned to the channel. Hope you're enjoying.